Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Monopoly Go tips and tricks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go, you can play the classic Monopoly game here in your phone by downloading the Monopoly Go application in your iOS or Android devices. They are both available there. So basically, as you can see here, I'm already on my Monopoly Go, and here I have logged in. So basically here I'm gonna teach you tips and tricks for Monopoly Go. So if you haven't played this game yet, I'm gonna teach you how to, and also some other things that you want to know about Monopoly. So basically, the Monopoly is a compact mobile version of the Monopoly game. It includes all the classic properties, community chess cards, and the chance cards, and fast storage in game boards for 2 to 4 players, and portable, such things like that. So as you can see here, I already logged into my own account, and we're gonna collect our daily treats. So basically, first, to get free rolls and other things like that, so you can do simple things like going here. Wait a minute, I'll just show you. So here in the top right corner, you can see there's going to be a red dot, as you can see right there. So here there in the red dot, you go to your shop, then you scroll all the way to the very right, and then here every 8 hours you'll have a free gift. So remember to put that in your calendars or something, or alarm in your phone. So every 8 hours you'll get free gifts from Monopoly, and there you go. And as you can see here, you can also take advantage of such things such as events that are going on. So right now there's a mega heist that's going on. There's also tournaments you can join, and right now there's a big Choco Partner game that you can participate in. So let's try to participate in one, trying to get one and getting free dices. So as you can see here, I made 1,000 just out of doing that. So let's try something lower, and 20, and we get an 80. So basically, just from that, I nearly got 150 dices from just spinning that token right there. So basically, there's a grand prize of 5,000 dices and a free Mr. M Cupcake token for you to play with. So as you can see here, all you have to do is build your property and move on to the next board where you can get dices too. So basically, all you have to do is just play along and try to participate in activities that may gain you some more dices or gain you some more cash. So basically, the Monopoly Go free rolls are not that easy to come by, so you should pick always your target here too, since some others have shields, so you can add some other friends. As you can see here, I already knocked down a friend's landmark multiple times since they're not really active, and we'll see here if he has more. There you go. And as you can see here, Royal Diamond 70s board, I'm gonna demolish it all the way down. So from that, I was able to participate in this tournament right here. So let me show you guys. And right here, so it's Builder Bash tournament. This happens every 2-3 days, or it depends on the timeline. So as you can see here, there are rankings where the first one gets 1,500 dices, 106 million in cash, and some gift cards, gift packets where you can contains pretty good stickers. So basically, all you have to do is compete and participate in such things like this. So it just goes on information. So how it works basically is you have to land on these tiles such as the shutdown and the mega heist, where you can earn the hard hats. For block it's +2, and for success there's +4. So for the mega heist there's a small +4, large +6, and bankrupt +8. So if it's a mega heist, +12. So when you roll with the bigger multiplier, it also multiplies the rewards too. So let's try 20. Let's try to get a heist as much as possible. And here is the rent, where it also multiplies depending on your multiplier. So let's try to get a heist right there, and looks like I'm gonna run out of luck soon. And it has just passed by again. So as you can see here, there's also the chocolate bakery where there's an event that's going on. So there you go. I was able to land on a chance card where I can get my mega heist, as you can see right there, guys. So here in the mega heist, all you have to do is try to land on the gold bars where to multiply it up to ×2 to ×3, and it depends. So there you go on my first try, and I got 81 million from just doing the bank heist. And you will also get your hard hat, as you can see right there, and I have moved through the ranks where to also give me gifts where I can receive free dice and free other incentives from that. And as you can see here, we can try to our luck here in the chocolate partner, and we got 500, and we're nearly there. So basically that's just what you have to do, and you can also accept this from friends. And there you go. So let's try to roll our dices again and see our luck. So I got 10 shields, and as you can see, the remaining shields that were overlapped, they get returned to me via dice compensation. So let's try to shut down this board right here, and unfortunately there's a shield. So basically you can also just play regularly, and here you'll also have a timer in the bottom corner of your screen in the middle where there's 7 rolls ready in just 1 hour. So it regenerates every hour depending on your level. So I'm nearly gonna regenerate mine in just an hour for 7 rolls. Let's try to shut down another one, so let's try to be very cautious on doing so. So we're gonna shut down our teammate here, or our friend in Monopoly Go, and there you go. So we have won 2.6 million in cash right there. And as you can see, the hard hat just stacks up again, and I have landed on a chance again where I got 15 dices. And here again I get another shutdown. So let's just go back to the friend I was talking about. So try to add some friends, try to multiply some friends, and those who are inactive, take advantage of them with shutting down their boards, as you can see right there. And I have shut down again, and I'm gonna receive a hard hat for that, where it will be compensated also with gifts. And I have received 8.6 million, as you can see right there. So for an example, you can also upgrade your board, as you can see here. I'm gonna upgrade mine, and where in upgrading your board you can also get pretty good incentives, like when you complete to the next level, you will get cash and free dices too. So basically right here, as you can see, I am in a new board again. So there you go. I got 8 million in cash, 15 dice, and another pack here. So I have received 4 stickers, and so. And as you can see right there, we can also do our community chest. So I'm gonna show you guys. So here in the community chest, other friends and players get together. So basically there's a multiplier right on top where you have to just press the start button and try your chances. So right here, I have an active friend bonus, so I can choose another friend. I hope they have another one. Unfortunately not. It gave me 5 dices, so it multiplies it the more friends you unlock. So unfortunately, if you land on the key, it will open it on the designated multiplier that you have landed on. So I have another active friend bonus. So let's try our luck with this one. I hope it does have the same, but it gave me dices. So it's now ×6. And the next one we're trying to get ×7, but unfortunately it cannot go there. So it was a free win of 4,900,000 in cash right there. So all you have to do is just keep on building your landmarks, and as you can see right there, I'm gonna level up too while doing that. So as you can see here, all you have to do is just keep on playing, and basically you will level up easily and fast. So always record your time whenever playing this game, since there are free rolls every hour on the clock. So it looks like we're gonna have another bank heist. So let's try our luck here. As much as possible, I do the diagonal one. So when I see a diamond, it's either I go with the L pattern or that. Just there. And there you go. I have bankrupt another player's bank, and I'll get more hard hats for that, and I'm nearly there. So you can also do with the rent. A color set will be complete where you'll have a free spin. So you'll spin your wheel and you will get a free incentive from that. And as you can see, I have collected 4 stickers. So the last thing I want to show you guys, basically to get free dices and other things, is going to your album and completing them. So by doing that, so you will get 130 dice and up to almost 1,800. So when you complete this all, you will get 15k dices and another token, as you can see here, and 2.3 billion in cash. So basically, those are just tips and tricks I want to share with you with Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in another video. See you again next time.